Hampton School is represented this evening by Team Captain Anna Ruth Parchment, Roshanae Simmons, Renice McNelly, and Chloe Powell. While Montego Bay High is represented by Deandra Dixon, Rebecca Keene, Age Africa Smith, and Team Captain Lily Rose Dixon. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to second round action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge in this section. Teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Hampton School won and decided to go first. So we begin, ladies, with Hampton School. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We have the time on the clock. So we'll get started right away, Hampton School, with art. Who painted the work Flood at Port Marley?
Flood at Port Marley.
Claude Monet.
Claude Monet!
No, it's Alfred Sisley. Art from Montego Bay. Who painted the work Vision of St. Eustace?
Vision of St. Eustace. So let's see. Salvador Dali.
Salvador Dali.
Antonio Pisanello. International Affairs for Hampton School. A visual. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed here.
Yes. Denmark.
Good. International Affairs for Montego Bay. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Lithuania.
Good. Principles of Business for Hampton School. What is the term for the amount of money a business has left after paying all of its expenses?
Profit.
That's right. Principles of Business from Montego Bay. What is the name starting with E that describes the state of a country in terms of the production and consumption of goods and services and the supply of money?
Economy.
That's right. Physics for Hampton School. What is the density of a block of mass 70 grams and volume 20 centimeters cubed?
Yeah. So that is
1400 grams per centimeters cube.
3.5 grams per centimeters cube. Physics from Montego Bay. What is the volume of a block of mass 100 grams and density 60 grams per centimeter cubed?
6,000.
And the question passes to the Hampton School. Would you like to try, ladies?
20 grams per centimeters cube.
20 grams per centimeters cube.
No, it's 1.67 centimeters cubed. Music and Audio 1, still with you, Hampton. Listen to the following clip and identify the artist. Percy Sledge, When a Man Loves a Woman. Music from Montego Bay. Listen to this clip and identify the artist.
And you want to be free.
Stevie Wonder.
No, it's Otis Redding. I've been loving you too. Spanish for Hampton School. Translate to English. El hombre es un granjero.
The man is a gardener.
Granjero. That's him saying.
The man is a gardener.
The man is a farmer, judges. Spanish from Montego Bay. Translate to English. Esta familia vivía en la ciudad.
This family lives in the city.
This family lives in the city.
The family lived in the city. Judges. Theatre and cinema. A visual for Hampton School. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actress, please.
Jamaican. We have
Purcell Thomas.
No, it's the lovely Bertina Macaulay. Theatre and cinema for Montego Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actress, please.
Marlene Daly.
No, that's the late Lady Leonie Forbes. Jamaican heritage for Hampton. Give the title of Louise Bennett Coverley's poem that begins with this line. Sun a shine, but things na bright. Do pot a boil, bickle none off.
Dirty, tough.
That's right, Jamaican heritage Mobay. Give the title of Louise Bennett Coverley's poem about a Jamaican returning from abroad without adopting a foreign accent or dialect.
No look at twang.
That's right. Sport or visual for Hampton. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
who does it like? We have
Nico Hulkenberg.
Nico Hulkenberg.
Knows England cricketer Joe Root, sport from Montego Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
No, Kane Williamson, New Zealand cricketer. And that is the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Hampton School and Montego Bay High neck and neck on 3 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.